Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to capitalize, make all your words cap in a Word document, and how to make them in lowercase. It's really simple to do. If you like me, you want to get right to the point. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Say for instance, I'm here. I'm gonna type hello. How are you doing today? And I'm gonna misspell today on purpose. As you can see, it gives that wiggly line that lets you know it's not spelled correct. The only thing you have to do is right click and just go here and pick the correct word, which is today. And I'm also make this all caps. And like again, I did that on purpose just to show when you're in all caps, it doesn't give you the option, or it doesn't underline. It lets you know it's correct, not correct. So the first thing, the easiest way to do to make this all caps is to highlight it, and you can hit Shift F3. And there you go. And if you want it back lowercase, hit Shift F3 again. It'll hit and bring it to lowercase. And the same thing right here. If you want to make this all lowercase, you hit Shift F3. And you notice once it became lowercase, it lets you know, hey, this word is not spelled correctly. And like I said, you can right click and you can just change it, or you can just typo. And I'm going to show you another way to do it. The second easiest way to make this all cap is to highlight it, and you can right click and go to font, and right here click all caps and hit OK. That's the second easiest way. And the next way you can do is you can go right here, you can highlight it, make sure you're in your home, and you can click this. There you go, and hit all caps. You notice that it changed it. And if you want to make it back lowercase, you can also do that again and hit this in lowercase. So that's how you make all caps or lowercase. And I'm gonna give you a quick tip here. If you want to do your auto correcting, you can go here to your file, you can go to options, and here you go to proofing, and here you go auto correcting options, and you can just check it here and you customize it if you want to. This right here says replace text as you type. I don't like to do that because you may start typing and you may send somebody a bad message. You was trying to send them something nice and you may have cursed them out on accident. So that's how things get started. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.